instrument, instrument, instrument.
Instruments.
Noun. 1.
A device that requires skill for proper use.
2.
The means whereby some act is accomplished.
3.
A person used by another to gain an end.
4.
Law. A document that states some contractual relationship or grants some right.
Verb.
1.
Equip with instruments for measuring, recording, or controlling.
2.
Write an instrumental score for.
3.
Address a legal document to.
Listen and practice.
My greed was the instrument of my destruction. My greed was the instrument of my destruction. Instruments for cleaning and polishing teeth. Instruments for cleaning and polishing teeth. It is the instrument by which all the primaries of experience are made manifest. It is the instrument by which all the primaries of experience are made manifest.
Instrument.